Well, hey everybody!
Yay!
We're gonna go on a nice little zoo trip today. It'll be Cadence's first time to the zoo, so that's gonna be lots of fun. We're gonna go see animals and eat food. What animal you want to see, big girl?
What do you think?
I want to see the gorillas. So we're gonna get ready to head that way, and we'll be there here in just a minute. By the next cut. You eating that book for breakfast? Is that how this is working? So the zoo we're heading to is the North Carolina Zoo in Asheboro. It's like 35-ish minutes, if my math is correct, from our house. And so we're going to head up there. We're going to have a nice, fun time. Cadence is going to have her first time at a zoo, so that's going to be a lot of fun. So let's make a little road trip, Fish.
Let's do it.
There's the elephants, which are totally real elephants.
Arrive at North Carolina Zoo.
Put my finger in.
Yeah, you ready to go to the zoo? So Mama's getting us all checked in. We're getting season tickets just because we're going to be coming a lot. We have a lot of trips planned, and then with our niece and with big girl, Carly's going to end up coming up quite a bit this year. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go do that, and then we'll go explore, big girl. What do you think? Yay! So once you walk in through the main entrance here, you got a little food stand that's kind of over that direction, and then a cafe right there, and then the restrooms are right over there. So once you kind of get in, everything has this main hub, and then once you get back around to our right, where I'm pointing at now, is back where you actually go in to go to the zoo. So one of the unique things about the North Carolina Zoo, one, it's the world's largest natural habitat zoo, so that's a really cool thing about it. It houses over 1,700 animals, I believe, is what it talks about. And so you have pavilions based around North American animals as well as African animals, and they're currently under construction for Asia. And so it's going to be a really, really cool thing once that finally opens up. But so we're excited to jump in and test out Cadence and see how well she does as a 6-month-old. So it's going to be lots of fun. Big girl, this snapping turtle is bigger than you are. Like a statue right now. What you think, big girl? She said, I can't see nothing, I'm just eating my hand.
Oh, I think he's gonna come over here.
Ooh, here you go. Look at that. He's just chilling. I relate with the seal.
Just chilling.
Yep. Gonna see some polar bears. Gotta get another view of the seal from down below here. We just saw it swim by.
Look. Don't look at me. Look at the water, silly.
There it comes.
Look, big girl.
There he is.
He's upside down. She was looking at you the whole time.
She said, I think my daddy looks funnier than a seal.
Here he comes.
Puffin time. feel like that should be on a shirt.
Puffin' time?
It's puffin' time. Yeah, the smell of like an aquarium is a very distinct, musty smell.
It smells like fish.
Yeah. The puffins is what's got her so far. Which one's your favorite?
That one that's just like, I don't know if you saw it, it just like shot across.
This
got
boy
the,
right.
like all black head back here.
Oh, I see him. Yeah. Let's see if I can. There he goes. He's behind the. Get out of the way. There he is. Heading into the ice cave, which is what it's felt like outside anyway. Can we find otters this time? The last family trip we took, we couldn't go in, or they didn't have the otters in. So we'll see if we can find some this time.
Help with smaller eastern hellbenders. So if you spot a hellbender, report sightings. If you catch a hellbender, immediately release the animal.
Interesting.
They're protected. Now, come on.
Ah, yes, my favorite part of the zoo.
It's your lucky day, there's no rattlesnakes.
I hate snakes. Good. That is a good thing.
Stop moving like as soon as you
Yeah.
There you go.
Ugh, nasty. We have officially switched it up. She's got her safari hat on. She's hanging out on Daddy's tummy. So we came to the agreement that I'm not carrying her. She's carrying me on her back.
Yes.
That's what's happening here. So what are we gonna? We're gonna see some. Is it bears next?
I think so.
Is that what's about to happen?
Elk, bison.
Let's go see
To
it.
the prairie.
The prairie. Look at the bear, big girl. It's a big old bear. She's watching the water. I can tell it's just making noise. You talking to him? Yeah. Tell him what you think, big girl. Gotta get the under construction stuff just with it opening. And I bet this time I'll say like a little bit closer whenever it's opening. But this looks awesome already. He's just closer than you think. It's gonna be 12.5 acres.
Ooh, Komodo dragon, tiger, otters, gibbons.
It's gonna be so cool.
I wonder if that's why the otters are. You know what I mean? If they're.
Yeah, gonna be open in 2026, big girl. We're definitely gonna be coming back in. See some tigers? How cool is that? I love this entranceway though. This is awesome. What is that, big girl? See a bison? Hey, babe.
Yep.
What did the wildebeest say? Or no. What did the buffalo say when his son left for college?
What?
Bye, son. You like that?
Don't laugh at him, Cadence. Don't encourage it.
She thought it was funny. Some other good views of the construction. You can kind of see the buildings and stuff that they're putting back there. Here comes the tram. Let's see what mine is first. Am I in the middle?
Yep. Oh. Great blue heron. It's down one.
Down one.
Yeah.
All right, what about you, big girl? Stretch.
Close to a crow. In between a screech owl and a crow. Probably more like a screech
Yeah,
owl.
you sound like a screech owl sometimes.
That's fair.
come see one of Daddy's favorites over here, big girl. Taking a little nap back there.
Where the tree? I haven't even reached up. What happens when you wake up?
Let's head into the desert. So we actually just came through the desert here a second ago. Your cousin Jocelyn works in here, so shout out to...
a little insider scoop. She
Yeah.
told us some little tips.
Yeah,
about
so
all the animals.
shout out to her. All these things we're going to tell you here in a second. It actually comes from her, so shout out to you real fast. But while Cadence is taking a nap, we'll come back through and give you a little view of everything. So this Komodo dragon, Jocelyn was telling us that its name, I don't remember what the actual name is, but they nicknamed it Pad Thai. It's close to the actual name. But also, it's a big fan of kids, so anytime kids come up to the glass or anything, get curious and come up a little bit closer to see them. These are the same cats we always see on Jocelyn's stories on Instagram all the time. They're really cute. They just napping. This was my favorite fun fact. This king snake's name is scrambled eggs because how much I like to eat scrambled eggs when they first come. Then these desert pupfish are
Hey, you see us in the background.
unique fish that burrow themselves into the sand, into the moisture in the desert, but then whenever they form little puddles, they come out and that's where they live.
What bats are these?
Just sleeping. So we just got them some lunch.
Yep.
Do that again. We just got us some lunch. We're gonna look at some sweet stuff, big girl. Walking back towards Africa, where the aviary building used to be. They're gonna close it. What they gonna do, babe? They gonna tear it down. You got fudge? You like your fudge?
Vanilla chocolate.
Scale of 1 to 10.
6.
Good. Decent fudge.
Yeah.
Kaden said the only thing that'd make that fudge better is if you fed it to me.
Soon.
Look, not my sticky feet. Like, not my sticky feet. Look at that one. He did.
You gonna keep kicking the fence?
I think that's Apollo.
Happy feet.
I think there's one right.
Taking an old nap. It's a nice view of his butt.
She's waving.
See? Cadence keeps making the camera shots shake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, keeps kicking around. He said, I want to film. It's like, also, guys, do you like my new sunnies?
It's Rafiki.
You like them?
Oh, it fell down. Look, didn't even look at the rock. Look at the little tiny one.
No. There he is. that what you think about the zebra?
We know. I'm amazed that you didn't want
Did you see the giraffe on this side? For some reason, it smells like you gotta get a dust.
work your way through the morning.
So I don't know if you see, but there's another turtle over there.
She loves
Oh, 4 in one shot on this one.
Come here right now.
What are we about to see, big girl?
See the chimps.
Super cool, buddy.
You landed on this face.
Give it a good spin and let it stop.
What you think, big stuff?
Hey, look at this one.
Last time he was in the cave back there. Just the elephant? Yeah, elephant pretty cool. They've been very
Oh my gosh.
117 degrees.
Trying out our, what are the society members? Or whatever you consider
Like
annual
passes.
season passes. Yeah, they got a little picnic deck up here that we're going to try and explore real fast. And big girl just woke up from her nap. So look at the time of her nap. Nice little back way. This is pretty neat. It's a neat little spot. Yeah. Got a nice little patio situation right in the middle of the woods. Have a nice little chill spot whenever you have a 6-month-old that is hungry. Hey. All right, well, that's our first zoo trip with Cadence. Cadence, what'd you think, big girl? Said, I'm going to play with my toes. We got to see, for the most part, most of all the animals. There were a couple enclosures and habitats that were shut down.
Couple enclosures that had closures.
Yes,
Is that what
bingo.
you're going for?
That's what I was going for. Yeah. But all in all, it was a fun trip. Got lots of snacks. Got to see lots of animals. I'd say it was a success. So thank you guys for watching. And be sure to like the video if you liked it. Comment any sort of stuff. If you'd like to see any adventures you'd like for us to go on. And be sure to keep up with all the updates and stuff by subscribing to the channel. So we will see y'all next time.